11th video for my eShop web application project. Here, our task is to program the user profile updating process. This is my user profile page. Here, you can update your profile image, your first name, last name, mobile, address, city, district, province and postal code. You cannot update your password, email, registered date or your gender. Here I haven't uploaded a profile image yet. So this is the default profile image for a user who haven't uploaded a profile image. My profile image have changed along with the username. Now in my database, here my first name, last name, and here my postal code have been changed. This is the back end of that programming part. Here I have given require connection.php because I need to connect with the database, and then I have taken the email of the user who is in session at the moment, who have signed in. I have taken that user's email and stored it as $email. I have got the data from my user table and the gender table and stored it as $details rs. I have also taken data from my profile image table and stored it as $image rs. I have also taken data from my tables user has city, district and province and stored it as $address rs. All this data is related to the user who is in session at the moment. First, I use this data here for the profile image. Here I have given a PHP script, and if the user don't have a profile image, then it will show the default profile image. If the user have a profile image, then that profile image, the path for that profile image will be taken from the database. And here I have used the connection with the database to take the user's first name and the last name as well as their email address. And here I have given an input tag with the ID profile image and a label saying update profile image, and I have given an on-click event saying change image. In the JavaScript side, this function change image, I have grabbed the IDs view image and profile image. View image is the ID for both these image tags, and profile image is the ID for this input tag. I have taken these tags and stored it as view and file. Here with this code I have made it so that the profile image can be changed. Now for the profile settings, have taken the user's data directly from the database and given it using PHP scripts like this. Here I have given read only for password, email and registered date. And here I have written two search queries for the province table and the district table and stored the results as $province rs and $district rs. I used it in this for loop to get the options from my database. For the selector, and I use these to get the options for the selectors for district, province and city. Here again I have given an if condition. If the postal address attribute is not empty, the data has been taken directly from the database, and if it is empty, you can change it. For gender, I have given a read only, so you can't change it. Afterwards, there's a button at the bottom, update my profile, and I have given an on-click event, update profile for that button. And here at the bottom, I have given header location dot this home page location if the user haven't signed in. This else is for this if. Here is if a user is in session, this will happen. If a user is not in session, they will be directed to the home page. Here I have given IDs for all the input tags of the data that I can change. Selectors for the province, district and city. Now I have grabbed these IDs from the JavaScript side and stored them like this. Then I made the form to send this data to the server side, and I stored that form as var f. I have appended these values and their names like this. For the image file, I have given this if condition. If the image file length is 0, a confirmation will come. Are you sure you don't want to update your image? And again, an alert saying you haven't selected any image. If you have selected an image, it will be appended like this. Then I have sent that form to the server side using Ajax. I have sent that form using the post method to the update profile process.php file in the server side. This is the update profile process.php file. All the data that I send from the JS side has been grabbed and stored like this. Here I have started a PHP script, and in there I have given session start and require connection.php because I need to be connected with the database to do this part. I have given an if condition saying if a user is in session, to get this data that has been sent from the JS side and store it like this. If a user is not in session, an echo will come saying please log in first. For the file, if a file has been sent, that file will be stored as $image, and the type of that file has to be checked to see, and the type of that file has to be checked. Here with this code I have checked the type of the file and made a new name for that file. The type of that file, the type of that image file should either be JPG, JPEG, PNG or SVG. If it's not of that type, an echo will come saying, please select a valid image. A new file name will be generated like this for that image file. This is the path. This will be the path for that new image file. Here I have given a search query to the profile image table in my database to see if the user who is in session have an image, and if they do have one, I have given an update query to update the image path into this new path. If they don't have an image, then I have given this insert query to insert the path for the profile image. And here for the user data, I have given an update query for user's first name, last name and mobile. Here I have given a search query for user has city table to see if the user already have an address, and if they do have an address, the address will be updated, and if they don't have an address, the new address will be inserted into this table. Afterwards, an echo will come from the server side saying success. Here, the JS side will be watching to see what the response from the server side is, and that response is being stored as var t, and an alert from that t will appear.